What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you some resources where you can learn coding. So if you are a beginner, probably you are looking for some resources to learn programming, or you just want to improve your programming skills. So this video is for you. The first one is Codecademy.com. It's one of the most popular platforms where people learn to code. It has a basic membership and a pro one. And if you are looking to learn absolute basics, the free membership will probably work just fine. However, if you want to learn more complex concepts, Codecademy Pro is a better option. Codecademy covers tons of tech topics, from courses in specific languages like Python and JavaScript to subjects like computer science, web design, mobile development, and more. To learn coding in Codecademy, you don't need to install any software. You can just directly write and run your code in an online text editor which they give you, and it makes learning much easier. Udemy is another popular online learning platform. It offers thousands of online courses. Most of them are paid, but they offer several free courses as well. Plus, you can always find discount and even free versions of paid courses. You can buy a course and you are gonna have lifetime access to it. Most of the Udemy courses have a really good quality and they are created by professionals who are expert in their field. The third website that I want to show you is w3school.com. It's the largest web developer site on the internet. W3 School is a free online resource with a tutorial and reference materials on all top programming languages, including JavaScript, Python, and C++. You can start learning right away by clicking on the language you want to learn, then you have to just follow the tutorial. You even get a special editing environment where you can try out what you learned. The next one is freeCodeCamp. This is one of the most awesome community websites where you can learn to code for free and build real-world projects. The platform guides you through the coding challenge by helping you learn along the way. In a freeCodeCamp, you can learn web development, data structure, machine learning, and so on. They also provide you a forum so you can ask your questions and get help from other people and other students in a freeCodeCamp. Maybe YouTube is one of obvious resources for learning, and most of the time when you want to learn something new, you search it either on a Google or on YouTube. There are many great channels on YouTube that uploads constantly new videos and tutorials. Learning programming from YouTube is one of the easiest ways. You can find a proper tutorial and then just follow along with the instructor on the tutorial. These were some of online resources that you can learn coding. But still, there are tons of other resources out there that you can learn from them. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, make sure you like the video and subscribe the channel for more programming content.